How to change language on Facebook Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your Facebook Messenger's language. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Messenger and make sure you're logged in into your account. Now, here you can see that my language here is currently English. If you head over to the menu on the bottom right, you'll notice your settings and head over to your settings, and there you'll notice, if you browse through this, is that there is no option to actually change your language directly from the messenger settings. So if that's the case, what you can actually do is you can change the language of your device itself, which will ultimately change the language on your messenger app. For that, head over to your settings, and on your settings you'll need to locate your general. Tap on general after you find it, and after you are on your general, scroll down and there you should find an option called language and region. Tap on it. After you tap on it, under preferred languages, you will see different languages available. All you need to do is drag this and put it on the top, the language that you want to change your messenger into. Doing that, you'll need to tap on the continue button to continue. After you tap on continue, you'll notice your iPhone will restart and then your language will have changed. So if you then head over to your messenger, there you will notice that the language on your messenger has changed as well. So let's see. And there you can see messenger is now currently changing its language to the language that you just changed. So you can wait for this to get downloaded. And after the language downloads, your messenger will load in the next language. And that's basically how you change the language on your messenger, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.